Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, what do you think if we talk about death? Yes, death is the phase of life which is inevitable. But what if I tell you there is an animal that doesn't just survive aging, it reverses it? Meet Turritopsis dormi, a jellyfish which can defeat death. Scientists call it biologically immortal. This tiny sea creature might just hold the secret to eternal youth, the immortal jellyfish. Found in oceans around the Mediterranean and also in tropical waters around the globe. Size less than 4.5 mm, smaller than a pinky nail. Transparent body with a bright red stomach inside. Turritopsis dorni starts life like any other jellyfish, but when it faces stress, starvation, injury, or even old age, it doesn't die. Instead, it transforms back into a baby, a process no other animal on earth can do. How it becomes immortal. Most jellyfish follow this life cycle, polyp to medusa, which is an adult stage, then they reproduce, at last they die. But Turritopsis dormi breaks that cycle. It goes from medusa back to polyp and starts life over again. This happens through a rare biological process called transdifferentiation. Cells literally change their function, nerve cells become muscle cells, and so on. It's like turning a grown human into an infant again with all their knowledge erased, but the body brand new. Is it really immortal? In terms of aging, yes, it can avoid natural death, but it can still be eaten, infected, or killed by pollution. So, it is not invincible but biologically immortal. The ability to avoid death from aging is still unheard of in the animal kingdom. Why scientists care? Researchers are fascinated because if we understand how Turritopsis dorni reprograms itself, we might uncover tools to reverse human aging, cure degenerative diseases, or even grow new organs. Imagine a future where we regenerate organs or tissues just like the jellyfish resets its body. It's science fiction that's slowly turning into a scientific fact. A message from nature. This jellyfish shows us something powerful. The ocean still hides mysteries that could reshape life as we know it. Turritopsis dorni isn't just a freak of nature, it's a whisper from evolution telling us that the rules of life are not fixed. Like the video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe the channel as it won't cost you anything but it will motivate me to bring such interesting and unheard facts for you. And don't forget to hit that bell icon for the upcoming videos. Tell me in the comment section which fact about the jellyfish you like the most and what other idea do you want me to work upon. Let's meet again in the next video.